I have made over $250 in the past few weeks that I returned to Usertesting. Usertesting is considered to be one of the most difficult survey websites for many people because it is very difficult to qualify for a task when you're on Usertesting. But somehow I have found a way to always qualify for tests, and in the past 3 to 4 weeks that I started, I have made over $250 on this platform. In this video, I want to show you some of the things that you probably don't know about Usertesting, and if you follow exactly what I show you in this video to create your account, you'll be a successful user tester and make as much money as I do. And I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know. Number one is that you do not need phone number or ID card to create account on Usertesting. Yeah, when you want to create an account on Usertesting, you simply create with your email and your PayPal. You don't need to have a phone number or ID card verification to create an account on Usertesting. That is number one. Then number two is that you need a PayPal account. This is where problem comes in because a lot of people are unable to meet this particular criteria. If you want to create a PayPal account that you can connect to your Usertesting account, that PayPal must be verified. And by verified, we mean that you must link your bank account to your PayPal account that you are going to be linking to Usertesting. And like I've said, this is where a lot of people face problems because it is not easy to get that. But don't worry, I'll also show you how to do that. I've already made a video on how to create a PayPal account, so you can refer to that and see how to create a PayPal account. And even though you do not need a phone number to create an account on Usertesting, you need a foreign phone number to create an account on PayPal. I have made a video and I covered everything on that. Lastly, most people think that to create an account on survey platforms, you need to start forging foreign names or creating a totally different profile. That is not true. For me, I use my real name, my real details on every survey platform that I participate on, and it has not stopped me from making good money from survey platforms. So what I'm going to urge you is that when you are creating an account on Usertesting, use your real email, use your real name, use your real PayPal account. Of course, you must use your real PayPal account since you will need to also link your bank account and everything so that it will be uniform. Now, in order for us to get started, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with others that might need it. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Now let us get started. All right, if you want to get started on Usertesting, simply just go to the Usertesting website, which is usertesting.com. all right, when you are on this website here, just go through it and read everything you'll find here. All right, it is a very lucrative platform to participate on. These guys, they pay so well. This is one of the highest paying survey websites I have seen, just to tell you the truth. Now this platform pays between $4 for a short study and up to $120. all right, these guys pay up to $120 per study. That is if you meet up with it and you qualify. Now if you want to get started, make sure that you use your proxy, right? Just like I've made my previous video showing you how to create an account on proxy, and make sure that your location is not Nigeria or any African country. So your PayPal, your proxy must match with the country you want. For me, mine is UK. all right, so my PayPal is UK, my proxy is also UK. Then when you come back to Usertesting platform, then you need to create an account. On the top left corner here, just go to get paid to test. all right, once you go to get paid to test, then scroll down to this place you see email and type your email address, the email address that you want to use. Just type the email address here and then you click on get started. All right, so once you click on get started, it's going to bring you to this page, sign up to take test. So reward amount vary depending on the type of test. Like I said, they pay between $4 for short study, just a short study of 4 minutes or 10 minutes, they pay you $4. Then their standard study pays you $10 for 20 to 30 minutes. Then you receive all payments straight into your PayPal account. all right, and then you will need to be at least 18 years of age. all right, so make sure that you are at least 18 and above before you can register an account on Usertesting. Then once you read up all of this sign up to test page, Then you click on next to continue. This is where you fill in your details, your name, your last name. Like I've said, use your real name as exactly as it is on your PayPal. Remember that to create your PayPal, you will need your bank account, which you are going to be creating later. And so your name on Usertesting must be exactly the same as your name on your PayPal account. So everything should be the same. Then you can set in your password and put in your zip code. Remember that in the earlier part when we started this, I told you that you should choose a specific zip code for your country. That zip code should be exactly the same for any PayPal, for your PayPal account, and also for any survey website you want to create an account on. Everything should be the same. That is exactly what I do, and that is what I'm telling you to do so that it can work for you properly and you won't have problem in any survey website. And when all of that is done, you just click on create account and you are in. So once you are here, you need to finish setting up your account. First thing is to confirm your email. So click on resend email. And once that is sent to your email address, you can click on it and confirm your email. Another thing is that the same browser you are using for this test, make sure you log in your email there so that when you click on confirm email, it can work inside your browser. So if I return back here and then I reload the page, you can see that my email will be confirmed. My email has been confirmed, right? You need to create your profile. So simply click on create profile. Now, when it comes to create profile, a lot of people think that there's a specific demographic that you need to set in order to get studied. That is not true. Research based on every profession. So whatever profession you have, make sure that you set it up on your profile. Now, what you need to do is that look for that particular skill that you are good at. Now, if you are a doctor, set up your profile that you are a doctor. Trust me, surveys that are looking for doctors will come your way and you will qualify for them. If you are maybe a graphic designer, whatever it is, make sure that you set it up on your profile. When you come to demographics, the first thing you need to do is to select your age. So you select the year you were born, and then for your gender, there's really no need for you to lie about that. So just choose your gender exactly as it is. For country, your country is already selected, and then your zip code is already selected based on your registration page. Household income, for your household income, just put it between something $30,000 to $40,000. Employment status, I set mine on fully employed. And then for industry, choose industry that you are good at, something that you know that when you have questions on it, you can answer the questions. If you are not good in tech, don't choose technology as your industry, because tech questions will come your way and you will not be able to answer them. And if you are not so good in answering your surveys, they will ban you from the platform. So choose the industry that you know you can work on. Then company size, 51 to 200 is the one I usually like to use. And for job role, just choose the department that you know you are good at. If you are into finance, entrepreneurship, technology, choose the one that you know you can answer questions on. I've been saying this from the very beginning. And then for job level, don't go for big positions. Go for something that you know you can defend on. Don't go for CEO, because if they start asking you questions that are fit for a CEO, you might not be able to answer it. For gaming, simply choose the kind of games that you can play. For your browser, choose Chrome. For social media, you choose the ones that you have. For web expertise, don't go for advanced. Put it on average. That is if you are good with web. Then for languages, English, devices you own, choose all the device you own. You are the one that knows the device you own, but these are for mine. Then I'll click on save profile. So my profile has been saved. So the next thing now is to set up our PayPal payment first. So to set up your PayPal payment, like I've said, make sure that you have logged in PayPal in your browser. Then click on set up payment. Read up on how to get verified. Make sure that your PayPal is verified. Then you click on connect to Usertesting. When you click on connect to Usertesting, it will redirect you to PayPal. So you need to log in your PayPal account again in case if you have been logged out. Then you click on next. This time around, your PayPal might ask you to verify with OTP, but if you are already logged in before, it will not request for OTP. It will just automatically link your account, and that is it. You can see connect your PayPal to Usertesting, right? So these are the informations about it. Agree and connect. Once you click on agree and connect, your PayPal is already verified. Then you are leaving PayPal. It will redirect you back to the Usertesting. Connecting your PayPal is very easy. It will only fail if you have not verified your PayPal account. If your PayPal account is not verified, then it will fail. Then the last but not the least is to take a practice test. This take a practice test is going to be very long. So what I'm going to do, this is part 1 of this registering on Usertesting. Then I will create a separate video for how to take a practice test, because I will need to walk you through everything you need to know and everything you need to do when you are taking a practice test. But until you complete all of these 4 tasks, you will not be able to receive a test and surveys on Usertesting. So when you finish all of this, they will approve your test, and when your test is approved, then you'll be able to start receiving tasks on Usertesting. And trust me guys, Usertesting is a very good website to make money, because in less than 4 weeks that I returned to Usertesting, I have made more than $250, and you can see it on my dashboard right here. It's a very good way for you to make money. So just make sure that you have a laptop. All right, you have a laptop. This Usertesting is basically for laptop, although they have tasks for phone, but the major one to creating an account and doing all of this, you must run it on your laptop. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and bye for now guys.